Welcome to this video on the Virgo moon transit. Over the next few minutes, we will explore how to navigate this 2.5-day cycle by focusing on emotional systems, body wisdom, shadow work, and daily purification. In our first section, we look at the celestial mechanics. We will examine how the analytical, mutable Earth archetype of Mercury influences our subconscious emotional realm whenever the moon enters Virgo. The Virgo moon brings a unique form of lunar energy. Unlike water sign transits that emphasize feeling, this is a time for logical processing, grounding in tangible reality, focusing on details, and finding security through service. This transit is defined by a mutable Earth modality. It encourages tactical flexibility in our daily plans while grounding our problem solving. Be mindful, however, as it can also trigger mental restlessness. This cycle lasts for roughly 2.5 days. It is a recurring window of high efficiency, ideal for auditing your finances, organizing your space, and resetting your focus from dramatic self-expression to practical mastery. Moving to section 2, we explore the connection between your mind and body. The Virgo moon transit highlights how your emotional equilibrium is deeply tied to your somatic health and daily routine. To thrive, this transit highlights 3 core needs: creating order and structure in your environment, engaging in acts of practical service, and maintaining a strong alignment between your body and mind. Pay attention to your body's signals during this time. The Virgo moon is sensitive to the gut-brain axis, often manifesting emotional tension as physical stress. Prioritize detoxing, nervous system regulation, and quality nourishment. For many, decluttering becomes a form of emotional therapy during this transit. By clearing your physical space, like your desk or pantry, you can create a sacred environment that allows your mind to rest. In section 3, we address the shadow aspects. We will identify common patterns such as hypercriticism, anxiety, and perfectionism, and look at how to transform them into self-compassion. Be aware of pitfalls like analysis paralysis or the inner critic, which focus on flaws rather than growth. Additionally, watch for tendencies toward over-serving or micromanaging others, which often mask a need for control. Finally, in section 4, we look at house transits. By mapping the moon's position in your chart, you can understand exactly which areas of your life are being activated during this cycle. For houses 1 through 4, the focus ranges from personal self-care to family foundations. Depending on your ascendant, this is an excellent time to update your wellness routines or refresh your home environment. For houses 5 through 8, the transit emphasizes creativity, health routines, relationships, and shared assets. Use this time to optimize your efficiency and engage in grounded shadow work regarding joint finances. For houses 9 through 12, the energy shifts toward research, career goals, community projects, and spiritual rest. Whatever your placement, use this transit to bring precision and intention to your daily life. Moving into our final section, we look at aspects and rituals. Here, we analyze how planetary dynamics influence our energy and provide practical, grounding practices to help you work with the Virgo moon's unique frequency. Geometric aspects shape our experience. Trines and sextiles offer stabilized emotional flow, while squares and oppositions introduce tension. Balancing cold, analytical logic with heart-centered empathy is the key to managing these forces effectively. To ground this energy, prioritize practical rituals. Focus on herbal and somatic care for physical comfort. Organize your immediate workspace to clear mental fog, and use mindful reflection to transform perfectionism into gratitude. Every transit moves through 4 phases: the initial ingress for observation, the peak for maximum efficiency, the late degrees for integration, and the final shift into Libra for social diplomacy and balance. Try these journal prompts to deepen your practice. Question your need for perfection, look for simple ways to support your body's health, offer humble service, and identify what clutter you are ready to release. Ultimately, the Virgo moon is an invitation to cultivate quiet mastery. By honoring these monthly rhythms, you can refine your daily life and find deeper meaning through small, intentional acts of service and self-care. Thank you for joining this exploration of the Virgo moon transit. We hope these insights help you find structure, health, and grounded clarity in your upcoming cycles.